On Tuesday, Southwest Florida immigration attorney Ahmed Yakzan called a client immediately after hearing the U.S. Supreme Court ruling in the case of Sessions versus Dimaya.
But the second that I read the decision, I called him and told him, hey, this is huge for you. I think we need to move to reopen your case because you might actually have some relief now. Because what was a crime of violence in 2007 when you were ordered removed, now it's not a crime of violence. So we can get a new hearing in front of the immigration judge.
The Supreme Court ruled that the vague language featured in U.S. Code 16b's definition of a crime of violence is unconstitutional when applied to removal proceedings of the Immigration and Nationality Act. Yakzan views this as a legal advantage for his clients.
People in removal proceedings right now can argue, well, you told me that I have aggravated felony, but the aggravated felony itself, as the Supreme Court said, is the statute that you're trying to charge me under, which is a 101A43 under the INA, as it incorporates the crime of violence from 16B, is not an actual aggravated felony because it's not a crime of violence.
Trump administration officials responded to the court's ruling in the Washington Post this week, claiming that drug trafficking will no longer be considered an aggravated felony in the state of Florida.
Drug trafficking is still an aggravated felony if it, without Section 16B being constitutional or unconstitutional. So the government can still charge it as a drug-related aggravated felony. I don't believe that would change the definition or take trafficking out of the realm of aggravated felony.
Yakzan, who has been a practicing immigration attorney in the Southwest Florida area since 2009, believes the current administration's orientation towards immigration policy will continue to present hurdles.
Do I see the administration changing its stance before 2020? Absolutely not. And then we're in the long haul here, and it's going to be an interesting journey. Let's just say that.
I'm Alex M. Bono, reporting from St. Petersburg.